pride, hungry and on the prowl, move, cubs and all, to a better location for hunting within their territory. The dry season is well advanced, and the lake has lost nearly all of its water. Crossing the dry lake, the female carries one of her cubs, while two others try to keep up. Somehow, the pride passes too close to a herd of buffalo, who try to trample the lions. In a valiant effort to protect the cubs, the lioness dashes at the buffalo, and then runs back to her cubs, trying desperately to guide them to safety. She rushes at the great beasts, but the buffalo will not scatter and continue to charge the lioness and other members of the pride. Dawn finds the savannah calm with no signs of raging buffalo. The pride has sought the shelter of a secluded spot. The only animal now in view is the lioness as she searches for her cubs. Time after time she calls, but the cubs have disappeared, trampled by the buffalo herd.